Yeah man, it nice. Luxury type of something. Yeah man. And the cheap one them. When me and my thing, you know, I'm comfortable, I'm alright with it. I'm not sell it, you know. I want to tell someone, buy me, I buy next car. Yeah. This, first car, nah sell it. Remember I own several bike, I'm not sell none of them. The youth them that they get to inherit them back. Cause more time my youth around me, I'm just say, yo, take that bike there. Less than 3 minutes. Mad move. One language. Yeah man. The days are nice, they have a big up one car. I want to tell you say bus them youth that take all the way from Portmore, St. Catherine. I just hear my phone. Yeah, we link up on the social media cause that's how it is, you know. IG and him say quick cook, he want the interview. When? Same time I tell him say forward. No delay, cause we a youth who love our career. Cause no man, no know the minute or the hour. I mean say change them forward. Quick. Yeah. We have word vice, we have selling vice. We have contrary vice. We just talk and people just get upset. Yeah, and we vice well powerful. Powerful. Me a Joseph, born the 22nd of February 1981. I mean I look my age. Me young. Enough little youth them not live for past. Not even 30 or 20. Them die young, so while living, we have to just give God thanks, cause no man know the minute when you're going to drop out. So while living, live clean and keep focus and do the right thing. Cause you will get one knock. You see me? So if you don't want to get one knock, keep focus. One language. Don't shave off and me talk them like sandwich.